Music has the power to ignite revolutions and inspire change. Throughout history, it has been a powerful tool for social activism, breaking down barriers and giving a voice to the voiceless. Songs like Bob Dylan's "The Times They Are A-Changing" and Sam Cooke's "A Change Is Gonna Come" became anthems for the civil rights movement, echoing the hopes and struggles of millions fighting for equality. In the 1980s, "We Are the World," written by Michael Jackson and Lionel Richie, brought together superstars to raise awareness and funds for famine relief in Africa, proving that music could unite people for a common cause. Similarly, John Lennon's "Imagine" continues to inspire dreams of peace and unity across the globe. World Music Day, celebrated on June 21st, is a testament to the unifying power of music. It's a day when people around the world come together to share and appreciate the diverse sounds that shape our cultures and drive social change. Artists like Bob Marley used reggae to speak out against oppression and injustice, while Public Enemy's hip-hop hit "Fight the Power" addressed systemic racism and the need for social reform. These songs transcended entertainment; they were calls to action, rallying cries that mobilized communities and created movements. Music's role in social change is undeniable. It captures emotions, tells stories, and unites people in a shared experience. By highlighting these powerful songs and artists, we remember that music is not just a soundtrack to our lives, it's a catalyst for a better world.